Namaskar. Welcome to AIMS Bhubaneswar. The novel coronavirus has affected the entire world. This video shows our preparedness for COVID-19. This is the main gate of AIMS Bhubaneswar. At the entrance, awareness posters for controlling COVID-19 spread has been prominently displayed, advocating people to come to hospital only for emergency. They are also requested to avoid regular OPD visits. This is our main OPD entrance. The security personnel have been engaged to ensure social distancing among the patients with help of markings on the floor. The nursing officers and medical social workers conduct the screening for COVID-19 at the OPD entrance with symptoms check and travel history. The suspected cases are then sent to main COVID screening OPD at the Ayush block. The patient needs to fill the registration slip and if needed can seek any help at the May I Help You desk. Meanwhile, every entry and exit door and other frequently touched surfaces are cleaned repeatedly. Markings are put at various counters with more than 1 meter for ensuring social distancing. The Patient Facilitation Center continues to function to provide any help for the patients under various government schemes. The control room by Department of Hospital Administration is now functional 24/7 to handle any administrative issues. The next important area is trauma and emergency, where all the incoming patients are screened for fever, respiratory symptoms and travel history. They use thermal scanners and pulse oximeters also. All the suspected COVID cases are managed in 16-bedded dedicated COVID ward near the trauma and emergency. This includes 2 ventilator support rooms and is also manned by experienced nursing officers and senior residents from various departments. The food is served to the patient in disposable and biodegradable plates. The main COVID-19 screening OPD is functional from 8 am to 8 pm at Ayush block. Separate entry gates are marked for patients and the staff. After registration, the patient is screened by the doctor. Doctors and other staff at the screening centers adhere to personal protective equipment while dealing with the patients. Designated donning and doffing areas are available in consideration with infection control practices. Nasopharyngeal sample collection is performed whenever indicated. Following doffing, the instructions are displayed to ensure correct disposal of biomedical waste generated. The Ayush Isolation Facility has 20 beds with ICU support exclusively for COVID-19 positive patients. The entire J block wards from 1st floor to 5th floor has been converted to 150 bedded COVID facility situated exactly opposite to the main COVID screening center. Separate dedicated lift and staircase are available for patient movement. 32 private ward rooms equipped with oxygen and suctioning facility are converted to isolation facility at I and J block in the ground floor of main hospital building. For biomedical waste management, the wastes are collected and packed in double plastic covers and are labeled as COVID-19 isolation waste. This is then transported in a dedicated BMW e-vehicle. Similarly, for isolation ward and ICU linen, separate cleaning facility has been made functional. The laboratory waste is microwaved before its disposal. AIIMS Bhubaneswar is the second medical institution in Odisha for COVID-19 testing. The testing is done with RT-PCR methodology at the Department of Microbiology. At the CSSD, arrangements have been made for re-sterilization of N95 mask and autoclaving of the cleaned linen for the isolation facility. Moving ahead, operation theatres at the G block have been made functional exclusively for the COVID suspected or positive cases requiring any emergency surgical management along with post-operative ICU facility. Educational videos for public awareness are being played at the OPD foyer along with banners with regional language instructions. AIIMS Bhubaneswar has now started the much needed telemedicine facility for the patients who are unable to visit the hospital due to lockdown. The patients can consult specialist doctors from 9 essential departments by voice call or video call from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on dedicated WhatsApp numbers. E-prescription can be shared with the patient after the consultation. The time is difficult, but this shall pass. We will continue to fight this pandemic. You can help us by staying at home and abiding by the government instructions. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.